Good morning, students. Continuation of organic chemistry. We'll see in organic chemistry, sp block elements, redox reactions, and hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen and its compound. 4 chapters are there. Okay, we'll see all these 4 chapters in continuation. We first see what are s block elements, what are p block elements. Already we know s block elements means differentiating electron present in a s orbital, we call as s block elements. Differentiating electron present in a p orbital, we called as a p block elements. Just I will write and I will give the general electronic configuration of s block elements, p block elements. Introduction of complete. After that we will see physical properties and periodic properties of those elements and compounds. How we will prepare those compounds. See in continuation of those individual groups. Okay, here as per the Bohr's long form of periodic table. Okay, periodic table has 18 groups, 7 periods. We'll see. Okay, sp block elements are arranged in 10 groups. That means 8 groups. 8 groups means first group, second group, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th and 18th groups. Remaining groups are D and F block elements. Okay, general electronic configuration of S block elements is NS12, NS2. General electronic configuration of P block elements is NS2, NP12, NS2, NP6. Is the general electronic configuration of S block elements and P block elements. S block elements simply we called as metals. Okay, alkaline earth metals and alkali metals. P block elements are simply considered as a representative elements. P block elements are simply considered as a representative elements. See, okay, always S block elements are present at left side of the periodic table, so metals. Okay, here P block elements are present at right side of the periodic table. These are considered as a non-metals. Okay, first group, second group. Okay, here I am writing 13th. This is the P block. Okay, here 14th. Okay, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th group elements. Okay, here I am writing general electronic configuration of each group. General electronic configuration. NS1, here NS2. Okay, these two are S block elements. Differentiating electron present in a S orbital. Okay, here NS2, NP1. Okay, differentiating electron present in a P block. Okay, here NS2, NP2, NS2, NP3, NS2, NP4, NS2, NP5, NS2, NP6. These are completely filled orbital, so more stable. These are also off-field electronic configuration. These contain off-field electronic configuration, so those are also more stable. Okay, see group elements. Okay, start with the hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Hydrogen is gas, remaining are liquids, solids. Okay, francium is liquid. Okay, here second group elements, and these we called alkali metals. These we called alkali metals. These forms bases. That's why these are called as a alkali metals. And here start with the beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are called alkaline earth metals. These are called alkaline earth metals. Next, see boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, gallium has, this is called boron family. It's called boron family. Boron family. Okay, here. Okay, gallium. Actually, it is solid. When you keep at room temperature, it is solid. When you take in your hands, okay, it is a liquid. Okay, the element or the metal which is dissolved in hands. Okay, liquid in hands, we call it as gallium. The melting point of gallium is 37 degrees centigrade. Human body temperature also 37 degrees centigrade. That's why when you take in your hands, it is a liquid. Okay, here carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, carbon family. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, nitrogen family are we called nicogens. Nicogen means suffocating elements. If oxygen percentage decreased in air, that means nitrogen percentage increase. It causes more suffocation. So, nitrogen family is called as nicogens. Okay, oxygen, 16th group, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. This family is called oxygen family. This is called oxygen family. Chalcogens. Chalcogens means ore forming compounds. Okay, most of the compounds, most of the metals available in the form of oxides and sulfides. Okay, so these are simply considered as a chalcogens. Okay, 17th group elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. All these are we called as halogens. All these we called as halogens. Salt forming compounds. Halogen means salt forming compounds. All these are from the salts. All these form the salts. That's why it is called salt forming compounds. Salt forming elements. Okay, halogens. Okay, here it starts with helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. All these are the 18th group elements. These are also called as 18th group elements are also called as zero group elements, nullivalent elements. These are rarely available in air. That's why these are called rare gases. M8 electrons are present in outermost. So M8 elements. Okay, different inert gases, noble gases. Okay, these are the different names of 18th group elements. In first PUC, we have first group, second group, 13th group and 14th group. In first PUC, we have these four groups. In second PUC, we have these four groups. So, we'll discuss about these four groups along with the hydrogen. Next, electronic configuration of okay, here first group, second group, 13th group and 14th group. Here I am writing electronic configuration: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, here we write reduced hydrogen electronic configuration 1s1. Okay, lithium electronic configuration, here I am writing helium 2s1. Sodium electronic configuration neon, okay, 3s1. Potassium electronic configuration argon 4s1. Rubidium electronic configuration krypton, okay, 3d10 and here 3d10, okay, 4d10, 3d10, okay, 5s1. Okay, here xenon 4f14, 4d10. Okay, here 4d10, 6s1. Next, radon. Okay, here 5f14, 5d10. Okay, here 7s1. These are the general electronic configuration of. Okay, first group. General electronic configuration of second group as T same, but just you put the two. Okay, here see beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Here see helium, right? First like this, right? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, radon. Okay, first we'll see S block. After that we'll see P block. Okay, here beryllium 2s2 here, here 3s2, here 4s2, here 3d10, okay 5s2, here 4f14, 4d10, 6s2, here also same 5f14, 5d10, 7s2. It's a general electronic configuration now. General and general is ns1. Here general is ns2. See. Okay, these exhibit +1 oxidation state. These exhibit +2 oxidation state. By the loss of one electron, first group elements get the stability inert gas, electronic configuration. So more stable. Okay, here +2. By the donating of 2 electron, it gets the more stable electronic configuration. Okay, this is about the general electronic configuration of S block elements. Next, in continuation, we'll see periodic properties, chemical properties, and other compounds of S block elements. Okay, thank you.